The Manthey racing kit for the updated 992.2 Porsche 911 GT3 is built for people who care more about lap consistency than parking lot compliments. The recipe feels familiar but sharper, more downforce where it counts, more control from the chassis, and more confidence from the brakes. It is not about changing the car's personality. It is about removing the small hesitations that cost tenths, then seconds. Up front, the package adds a deeper splitter with side flaps that work with revised underbody panels to keep airflow tidy. At the back, the swan-neck wing and end plates are reshaped for stronger high-speed stability without a big drag penalty. You notice it most in fast direction changes where the car stays planted instead of skittering over bumps. The suspension is the quiet hero. Manthey's four-way adjustable coilovers give you meaningful clicks that you can actually feel on a familiar road. Street settings are compliant enough for daily use. A track baseline adds body control and stops the nose from diving under hard braking. The car rotates with less steering input, which saves front tires over a long session. Brakes get braided steel lines and higher temperature pads for a firmer pedal and less fade. Optional lightweight wheels trim unsprung mass, which makes the dampers work better and helps the car absorb curbs instead of hopping over them. Pair that with a proper alignment, and you get a 911 GT3 that feels cleaner on entry, calmer mid-corner, and hungrier on exit. What makes the Manthey approach special is that it remains Porsche-endorsed and installable at Porsche Centers. That matters for owners who want a faster GT3 without compromising road legality or serviceability. The kit focuses on parts that are easy to live with. No gimmicks, no constant fiddling. You can drive to the circuit, set tire pressures, click the dampers a few steps, and go hunting for personal bests. Expect a real improvement in lap time versus a stock 9.9 2.2 GT3, especially on tracks with fast sweepers where aero balance matters. You will also feel the gains on a back road. Better brake bite, cleaner turn-in, less fidgeting over seams and patches, and more stability when the surface gets messy. It is the difference between a great car and a car that lets you use more of your talent more of the time. If you are already thinking about the next upgrade, start with tires and setup before chasing power. The Manthey kit's value shows up when you keep heat in the rubber and drive longer stints without the car going away under you. That is where the seconds come from. If this build excites you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss our deep dives, track tests, and setup guides.